Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying power and connectivity so you don't chase phantom errors. First, plug the case into a reliable charger and confirm the battery widget shows charge. You need at least some power to run resets. Once done, drop the AirPods into the case, close the lid for 30 seconds, and make sure Bluetooth is off on other devices so pairing won't conflict. This prevents intermittent signals and gives you a clean slate before deeper troubleshooting. Next, you reset and repair to clear software glitches. Open the case with both AirPods inside, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber and then white. That indicates a factory reset. Make sure to forget this device on your iPhone first, then tap pair when the white light appears. After pairing, keep the AirPods near the phone and connect to Wi-Fi so the firmware can update automatically. Firmware fixes often resolve LED error states. To finish, you verify charging integrity and hardware condition. Inspect and clean the case and AirPods charging contacts with a soft, dry brush. Poor contact can cause amber alerts. Swap to another Apple-certified cable and adapter to eliminate a faulty charger. If the orange flashing persists after reset, update attempts, and different chargers, it's likely a hardware or battery fault. Contact Apple support or make a service appointment. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.